In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for law firms. We'll set up a dedicated project in Asana using the built-in AI option designed to jumpstart legal workflows. By the end, you'll have a structured workspace ready to organize matters, deadlines, and team responsibilities with minimal setup. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home screen. This is your hub where you can see recent projects and quick links. If you work with multiple organizations or teams, take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace so everything you create lands in the right place. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Projects. This panel is where all your firm's work lives. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so you can see the full list. Think of projects as containers for cases, practice areas, or ongoing firm initiatives. Keeping this section organized now will save you time later. Now, select New Project. This opens the creation flow where Asana offers several ways to get started. You could build from scratch or use a template, but for a law firm, the fastest route is to lean on Asana's AI so it can pre-structure the work for you. Choose Create with AI. This launches Asana's assistant, which helps you spin up a project tailored to your needs. It's built to suggest sections, tasks, and structures so you're not starting from a blank slate. If your firm focuses on specific practice areas like litigation, transactions, or compliance, you can refine later. The AI just gets the foundation in place. Select. Create a law firm. This option prompts the AI to generate a legal-focused project framework. Expect it to propose logical sections, placeholders for client intake, matter management, and key milestones. The names and layout may vary slightly, but the idea is to reflect typical law firm workflows. You'll be able to rename sections, adjust task details, and align it with your firm's terminology once the project is created. A quick privacy tip: during setup, avoid adding confidential client or case details. Start with generic labels, then layer in specifics within your secure workspace once the structure is ready. Finally, wait for it to load. You'll see a brief generation process while Asana assembles the project. This usually takes a moment. If it lingers, give it a little time. When the project appears, scan the sections and sample tasks to ensure they match how your team actually works. From here, you can fine-tune fields, assign owners, set due dates, and tailor the workflow to your jurisdictional requirements and firm policies. That's it. You've just created a law firm-ready Asana project with AI, setting the stage for consistent, trackable legal work.